everyone, I'm Fo, and in today's video I want to discuss head coverings I wear to protect my hair when working out and also when I sleep at night, and just discuss overall how I care for my hair when I work out and when I sleep at night. Before we get into the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. So let's hop into the video now. Okay, so when I'm working out, I wear this thing called a buff, and that is B-U-F-F. So the buff is basically a polyester sleeve that wicks away moisture, so it basically helps keep your head dry when you work out. And so the way that I use a buff is I take it, scrunch it down like this, I put it over my head, and then for working out, I just pull it straight back. I pull it straight back, and what it does is it catches my sweat right here, and it also wicks away sweat on my head to keep my hair relatively drier than it would be if I didn't wear the buff. And then once I wait a while for my hair to dry, I take the buff off, I shake my hair, and I fluff my hair back into place. So I just fluff it, or I take my hand and I stick it in there and go like this. It was kind of flat in some areas, and I just pull my hair back into place, and I'm ready to go. I don't add any product or anything like that after I work out. And I work out pretty heavy with a personal trainer 3 days a week. And then I also do my own thing. I try to do it 2 days a week on my own. So that is how I use a buff to protect my hair for working out. Also, I can use the buff for sleeping. So when I use the buff for sleeping, I'm going to take it and I'm going to scrunch it down again, put it over my head, and then I start to tuck my hair down flat into the buff. Tuck my hair down flat, the direction that I want my hair to lay when I take the buff off. And I just make sure my hair is tucked down flat. And then I pull the buff upwards after I've tucked my hair down flat in there, and I pull this front part upwards, and I go to bed. So that's how I go to bed, with a buff. And then in the morning, I just pop the buff off, and then I shake and also pull my hair back into place. I do not reapply hair products throughout the week. I only apply hair products on wash day, which is every 4 to 5 days typically. So yeah, I just pull my hair back into place. And if you're wondering about my hair, how it's got a lot more, fluff than usual, it's because I only use Curly Magic on my hair this week. I didn't want to use a topper and have a more defined wash and go. I wanted to have, something a little bit more fluffy this week, so I can do some cute little, like pony puffs and stuff like that. But yeah, I only use Curly Magic this week. So I also sometimes wear a bonnet to sleep, but I haven't been wearing a bonnet lately to sleep because I've noticed that I sweat a lot, and the buff works so much better for preserving my hair because it helps wick away that moisture. And so, the product in my hair isn't all reactivated in the morning like how it is with a bonnet. But if a bonnet is what's next to my bed and I don't feel like getting up to get my buff, then I'm gonna grab the bonnet. And with the bonnet, I just take it, and y'all, it's time for me to get a bigger bonnet. My hair has grown. But I take it and I smash it down onto my head. Make sure that hair is flat down in there, the direction that I want it to be when I take the bonnet off. I tie the bonnet up, and I'm good to go. And with a bonnet or with the buff, I can just pop a shower cap on over it and then just take a shower. So in the morning, if I wore a bonnet, I just take the bonnet off, shake my hair out, and stick my hand in there, fluff, and put my glasses on so I can see. And I pull my hair back into shape, right? And then some nights I don't put anything at all on my head because I just don't feel like it, or maybe I'm too hot. And that's when I use my satin pillowcase. Do I know if this is real satin? No, I don't know if this is real satin, you all. But I will leave links below for the buff, the bonnet, and this satin pillowcase. And when I use the satin pillowcase, my hair still turns out pretty good in the morning, just not as well preserved as when I use a buff. My hair is the best preserved, like keeps the best elongation and the least amount of frizz and the best definition with a buff. When I'm working out with the buff or when I sleep with the buff. The buff is the best for me with preserving my hair's definition and elongation. But if I don't care about definition as much, I can just reach for a bonnet. But my head does sweat, so this does reactivate the product. Well, that does reactivate the product, and sometimes my hair can be kind of mushy when I take this off. And if I don't want to use anything, just reach for the pillow. But that's head coverings, you all. Those are the things I do to protect my hair. That's how I work out with my natural hair. And when using a buff and working out, I can preserve my hair. I can preserve my definition or my elongation. I can preserve that up to like 8, 9, 10 days if I want to. But I wash my hair every 4 to 5 days just so I don't have any scalp irritation from all that sweat from working out. That is how I preserve my natural hair with working out, with sleeping, with showering. And I hope this video was really helpful. Once again, my name is Fo. Leave a comment below if you have any questions for me, or you want to discuss how you preserve your hair when you work out and do other things. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.